Pecan? Pecan? Pecan pie? Pecan.
Pecan pie. Pecan. Okay. Hey, I'm Jack.
And I'm Taylor.
Welcome back to another Smoke Show Happy Hour. Today we're making a pecan pie old-fashioned.
That we are. So first we're going to start off, Jack, if you want to go rim our glass with the caramel syrup right there, that's going to be great for our presentation.
So what I like to do, Taylor, when I rim glasses, is I like to do just half the glass. You get this nice...
That's very aesthetic. You can do it all on one side.
Yeah, and then when you want to sip with it, you can take it. When you don't, you don't.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
So at that point, you can get as much as you want or as little as you want. Because I feel like when we have that little thin rim up top, you always run out of the sugar, the salt, whatever it is you're looking for.
Yeah, yeah.
That's great.
This is very good, though. I would definitely say
it. Yeah.
Rim the whole thing. But we're
continue.
Let's
Yeah. Continue.
All right.
All right, guys, so some of the ingredients that we're going to be needing for today is we're going to be using bourbon, crème de cacao, RumChata, and we're going to be using our signature maple old-fashioned pecan syrup.
This drink is not like your traditional old-fashioned. It does have the RumChata, which I don't think I've ever seen an old-fashioned recipe that has that.
I'm interested to see how that's going to pair.
Yeah, but in any case, this is going to turn out to be like a very sweet, very chocolatey, very pecan-forward drink. So if you like that sort of flavor, this is what you're looking for. What do we got?
So we're going to be pouring 2 ounces of bourbon into our cup first. Then we're going to do a ½ ounce of RumChata next. Now we're going to be doing a ½ ounce of our signature pecan maple syrup.
Stuff is phenomenal. If you haven't tried it, it's so good.
It's so good.
Yeah.
And then lastly, we're going to do a ½ ounce of our crème de cacao.
And if you haven't had that, it's basically a liqueur that just tastes like chocolate. It's phenomenal.
Awesome.
Very good. Yeah, this is going to be great. Okay, so we're going to smoke this with cinnamon today. Anytime we do like a dessert cocktail or something, cream shake, we tend to lean towards cinnamon just because it tastes so good.
It always pairs well with like a dessert kind of drink.
Right.
It's really good.
Espresso martinis, anything like this, anything with Bailey's, anything with RumChata.
Any seasonal fall flavor drinks too.
Try cinnamon. It's going to be amazing. So we are just gonna smoke this up, and cinnamon burns a little bit slow, so just be patient with it. Once the glass is full, we'll just remove this, and then we'll strain that cocktail in here. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the best fall cocktail that you've had this year.
I'm very excited to try this one. Fall drinks are my favorite. There are millions of drinks that you can make during the fall, and I feel like I'm never running out of options.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Here we go.
Beautiful.
Dude, look at all that smoke. Love it. Smells good, doesn't it?
That does.
Yeah.
Cinnamon's always the best one.
One thing we didn't do was add ice. So we're going to add ice here. It's already cold because we shook it, but just helps keep it cold.
So that's everything you guys are going to need for your pecan pie old-fashioned. I think it's time we give it a try.
Yeah, me too. This smells and looks delicious. Definitely doesn't look like an old-fashioned, but I'm telling you, it's going to be good. Let's see. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, you got to try it. Yeah.
That caramel is messy.
It is, yeah. It's on my thumbs. I'm not upset about it, though. What do you think?
Oh, that's good. I think it really accentuates the bourbon. It's not like completely changing your entire drink. It's just kind of adding a little bit of natural sweetness from the caramel in there.
Yeah. And it definitely adds like, so your regular old fashioned is going to be very bourbon forward.
Right.
This adds like a level of something a little bit sweeter, a little bit more creamy. So it still feels like an old fashioned without being one. And I'm getting caramel all over my hands.
It's definitely got a little more depth to it too, just because of the RumChata.
This is fantastic. So please get this.
Perfect fall drink. Absolutely.
This is awesome for October, for the fall, for November, December, even June. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or leave a comment down below. If you make this drink, please send it to us on Instagram.
Don't forget to tag us too.
Yeah.
We love seeing all your guys' different drinks.
Yeah, we wanna see that, and we always reshare it. And then if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post new videos every week. Cheers.